suspension, CT cylinder, ESR pipe and silencer, BBC swing arm, OMF 10-inch V-locks, got the BBC front inverted fork setup, Renthal bars, ASV levers, LED headlight and tail light setup. Lots of billet goodies here and there. This is a pretty awesome bike. V-Force 3 reeds, and the chrome extended LSR swing arm, Craig Burton's ATC grab bar, Cosmic Quads 310R seat by Tammy Mosher, ESR side case, the old school oil plug cap. I got a little bit of everything on this one actually. Little gear slammer shifter, which to me is pretty cool. But all in all, this is probably one of my favorite builds. We have the rear swing arm, yellow zinc plated to be different. LED setup on the bracket here. Got Elka rear shocks, Elka rear shock. I mean, this thing is just awesome. All the way around, just plain out awesome. And we did it here at DNA. Anybody got questions, comments, concerns? Feel free to contact us.